All right, so today is the 27th of June. You're probably going to see this the day after. So basically, before I go into the trade, I wanted to just recap on what's going on. So you're not coming. You don't have to come to the charts every single day. Um, Reason being is just like you can treat it like a 9 to 5 or a certain appointment. You might have a certain doctor appointment or a dentist appointment, or you're not going to the dentist every single day, or you're not doing certain things that's on your calendar every single day unless it's the job. But um, this is all I can say is when you're trading, you don't have to come to the markets every single day. And we're going to talk about the looking at the Forex Factory. If you look at the top up here, you can see forexfactory.com real quick. And I'm gonna just go over recap today's trades and what I'm looking at for the rest of the week. So today was the final GDP. Um, it's 1.4, so it was actually the same. Well, I'm sorry, it wasn't the same. It was 1.3 last week, last time, which was quarterly, and so this time it's 1.4. If you can see right here, boom, meaning that it's good for buyers. So I was looking for when that came out. I was looking for I scalped the market. I was looking for good bullish movement. So if you look right here, I have it on my calendar. If you look down for June, final GBP took the trade, profited. All right, and this is how I do it because I learned that if you don't, if you when you scalping, especially in futures, you want to you want to go for where the volatility is at. Otherwise, you just be trading with an algorithm. All right, and so if you look right here, I have it all marked off. I'm sorry, I misspelled that. All right, let me go back, put that on there. Retail sales. All right, and I have the time 8:30. That's when I come. I come around 8 o'clock and I start looking, marking up the charts. All right, and you can see right here, core price index. I'm not going to trade tomorrow, but I'll come back on Saturday and see how that move and then mark it and annotate it for next time. But that's what I do. I have it all marked off for next month, and you can see there's definitely nothing on July 4th. There's something coming out on the 5th, and if you look right here, the 8th, 9th, and 10th. Uh, just for what I'm looking at, what I've researched, and the the CPIs, the Fed Chair Powell announcements. That's what I look for and what I back tested in the market. So these are the days I'm going to actually come to the market to trade. And if you can look at, there's 20 trading days in the month, and you have 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. 11 of those days I'm going to try, or I'm going to come to the market and look to find an entry and become, and be profitable in those months. You don't need to come all 20 days, like I said, but it all comes to back testing. So this is my calendar that I've marked off from, let's go from Forex Factory right here. Boom. And then you can go all the way down. And what I say, when you do your filter, I just have red and I have just the USD. And then you can, you if you just wanted to come to trade for inflation and central banks or employment or speeches, all right, you just go in there and hit it, boom. All right. And you might have less or more days that you want to come to the market and trade. All right. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna get into the chart. I'm sorry. Go out of here. And so what I looked at right here is, see, final GDP. This was quarterly, so it didn't happen. It happened 3 months ago. So unemployment claims 830. You can see it had a little volatility spike right here. So it's over the 200 NMA. This was the highs and lows of yesterday. So we trading in between. So once this spiked, um, I go back to my strategy, and this is on the 3-minute time frame because I'm looking to get in and out. All right here, I got in, and boom, it spiked. And actually, it spiked at 9:30 when the market opened, right back up to yesterday's high of the day. All right. So, and if you can see right here, June 27th, all right, my entry, my exit, and plus 14.15 for the day. All right. And if you look at it, let's go back to where is, so you look at it, we're going to mark uh, plus 14.15. All right. Let's undo that and let's just make this bigger. All right, plus 14.15. So if you look, if you only traded one day of this week and you have a 9 to 5 job, currently like I do, uh, add an extra 14.15 to your whatever you're making already is pretty good. It's pretty good. And that tells you right there, scalping is good. You don't have to sit here and trade 100 times a day. If you scalp with size, right here, you're good to go. All right, as you can see right here, done for the day. And hope you guys uh, saw value in this trade and with everything I said. And other than that, you guys have a blessed day.